What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, so this is a Dodge Durango 2020, regular RT Hemi, 5.7 liter. This is what it sounds like before. Again. Again. This is the sound decibels on it. Again. One more. One last time. That's what it sounds like before. 91 on the sound decibel. We'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, so we'll let you hear what it sounds like before. 2020 Dodge Durango Hemi. Hemi. 5.7 liter. Beautiful automobile. Factory converters there. Then what we did, he brought his own, he's been watching our channel. He's a big fan of our channel for a long time. So he says, I'm gonna do a different setup than everybody else. So he brought in two FLOWMASTER Outlaws, as you guys can see right there. So we put them in the middle, part number 815425. And then we ran factory pipe out the back. And then he brought two smaller FLOWMASTER Outlaws there and there. I'll get you guys the part number in a second. And then two 5-inch tips rolled, as you guys can see there and there. So it's got FLOWMASTER Outlaws in the back, FLOWMASTER bigger Outlaws in the middle. So it's got the S in the back and the regular ones in the middle. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. This is what it was originally on it. There's a suitcase muffler. I need you to move that, babe. Perfect. You were right. Wow, only lap, yeah. That's what he was waiting on, did he tell you? He's like, I'm down. He's got it, man. That's nice. That's clean. You did good, man.
I hadn't heard anybody with that too.
No, nobody has that to him. So he watched all our videos and he came up with this setup. And I like it, so we're gonna start selling. We're gonna call it the Burrell setup. The Burrell setup, baby. Here's sound decibels on it. Again. Man, 108, that's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. That's clean. FLOWMASTER Outlaw, baby. Let you guys hear on the inside. Durango head 5.7. FLOWMASTER mids, FLOWMASTER rears, 5-inch tips. Let's see what she sounds like pulling off.